A square and a circle are drawn as shown above. The area of the square is 64. What is the area of the shaded region? So it says this whole square, the area of this is 64. And remember that a square has 4 equal sides, so all of them are having the equal sides. So how to calculate one side of a square? We just need to square root 64 so that we know one side of the square. So the square root of 64 is 8 because 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we know that all of the sides of the square is equal to 8. And if we try doing the area of it, which is length times length, so 8 times 8, that gives us 64. So now that we know all of the sides of the square, we want to know the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. And we want to know the area of this. So first of all, we want to know the formula of an area. So the formula to calculate the area of a circle is pi r squared. That is the same as pi times r squared. Now r is half of the diameter. So 8 is the diameter. So let's say the diameter is green. So this one is the diameter. And r, which is the radius, is half of the diameter. So if we want to know half of it, we will divide the diameter into divided by 2. So that gives us 4. So we know that r is 4, so that means pi times 4 squared. Now 4 squared is 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. So now we can just leave it like that. Or we can just put it as 16 pi. And we are not done yet. We still need to calculate the shaded region. We calculated the whole circle. But we only want to know the shaded region, which is this region. So as you can see, this region is half. This is exactly half of the square. So what we can do is 16 divided by 2. That 8 gives us 8 is 8 is half of the whole circle. So now we calculated the area of the shaded region, which is 8. So we know that the correct answer is B.